Uncover the simplicity of disabling search on Windows 11 in just a few steps. Say goodbye to search interruptions and streamline your Windows experience. Stay tuned for a quick guide on how to effortlessly disable the search functionality. Let's get started. Open the search bar by clicking the magnifying glass icon and type in Command Prompt. When Command Prompt appears, click Run as Administrator. Type in this command, reg update, hklm1 systemo current control set services w searchy start =, 3 press enter on your keyboard when done. Then type in net.exe stop. Windows search hit enter. Windows search is now temporarily disabled. The functionality will reactivate after restarting your computer as soon as you use it. Open the search bar and type in Services. Click on the first result you see. In the Services window, locate the Windows search entry. Right-click on the entry and select Properties. Click on Stop in this new window. Click on the drop-down menu next to Startup Type and select Manual. Click OK to save your changes. To re-enable Windows Services, right-click on the entry again and select Properties. Click on the drop-down menu and select Automatic, Delayed Start. Click Start to activate it, then OK to save your changes. Open the search bar and type in Services. Click the first entry that appears. Locate the Windows search entry and right-click it. Right-click on Windows Search and select Properties. Click on Stop. Click on the drop-down menu and select Disabled. Click on OK to save your changes. Now you will have to rename the folder for Windows Search in order to prevent Windows 11 from accessing it. Open the File Explorer. In the top bar, enter in Siege Windows O System Appso. Locate the folder titled Microsoft.Windows. Search _CW5. N1H2 TXUE, right-click on the folder, then select Show More Options. Click on Rename and rename the folder. You will be asked to grant admin permissions. Select Yes. After renaming the folder, double-click and open the folder. Locate the searchapp.exe file. Right-click the file and select Show More Options. Select Rename to rename the file. Grant the admin permissions when asked. Close the File Explorer and restart the computer. Open the search bar and type in Registry Editor. Click on the first entry you see. Click on hkey_current_user to extend the drop-down menu. Next, click Software to extend another drop-down menu. Select Policies. Click Microsoft. Then click Windows. Right-click on Windows, then select New. Select Key in this new menu. Name this new Key Explorer, then press Enter to save. Right-click Explorer to open up a menu, select New, then DWORD 32-bit value. Name this new entry Disable Search Box Suggestions, then hit Enter. Double-click the entry to open a new window. Set the value data as 1 and click OK. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.